What's up guys? I got a complete fuel line kit to go from my fuel pump up to my carburetor. It includes a PTFE fuel line, a fuel filter, and a fuel pressure gauge, all set up to fit on my classic Mustang. All right, so here's the 7 pieces that come in this complete fuel line kit. We've got the fuel fitting that's going to thread into the fuel pump, then to our PTFE fuel line hose, then we've got a 90-degree fitting to turn the corner so that we can get into our fuel filter, and then this coupler is going to get us set up for this piece where the fuel gauge threads into. So if we were to install this in the car, we'd have all this set up like so. That goes there. We'll put this guy on this end, then we'll thread in the fuel filter, and it needs to go in front of the fuel gauge, or the fuel pressure gauge. And we'll throw in this coupler here, take this plug out, and we can thread in this fuel pressure gauge. Now this fuel pressure gauge is oil filled, and the reason why you do that is it keeps the needle from jumping around and bouncing around if there's any kind of fluctuation in fuel pressures. It slows it down so it's more of an accurate reading. We'll thread this guy on here like that, and this is more or less what it would look like going to your car. Again, if the fuel pump on this end, and this goes all the way to your carb. Let's get installed in the car. Now in your engine bay, you probably have something like one of these formed hard lines that came from the factory, or you may have just a fuel line hose that goes from the fuel pump down there all the way around over to the side of the carb. We're going to be replacing that with this whole setup here. Of course, in my car, I already have a custom line. This is something that I also sell on my website, KruseBuilt.com, where you can buy this piece, whether it's the stainless steel braided like this or the black braided line. And it comes at a long enough length that you can cut it to fit whatever you need to do. But if you don't want to do that, if you want to have something that you just basically plug and play, that's what I've got now, is this kit that's going to go from the fuel pump right up to here, and everything's sized and fit and ready to go. We can just install it. Now we'll also notice that on my setup, I already have the fuel gauge in this adapter piece, so I don't need to do that. Well, it does come with the kit here. I don't need it on my car because I've already got it. And then I've also got this little adapter piece already threaded into the fuel pump, so I only need part of this kit. But when you order this whole setup, you'll get everything from this fitting all the way over here to the back side of this fuel pressure gauge, which will get you to right here on the carburetor. Now, because we're going to be loosening these fuel lines, we want to minimize the fuel spill. So we'll put some towels underneath here. Now I want to go up to this fitting on the fuel pump, and again, because I already have that converting, the AN fitting that converts it, we don't need to put that in there, but in your setup you'll need to do that. And this is that fitting. You can install this into the fuel pump using 11/16 socket right here on the side. For my setup, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to loosely thread this on here for now, and then we'll go back and we can tighten it up once we get everything in place. Okay, so then I'm going to come right in underneath my spark plug wires and by my return line for my fuel, or for my coolant line. We're going to put that right in here and thread that on to the adapter for my fuel pressure gauge that I already have in my car. And again, this is where you would install this piece if I didn't have it already. All right, so this is all routed up, ready to go, all set up, and wanting to go through and just tighten everything, all the joints now. What's nice is this is loose enough that it's not binding on anything. You can still adjust your distributor if you need to, or whatever was going on. And so everything's kind of right where you need it to be. So let's go ahead and tighten it up, and then we'll be set to go. All right, that's it. Everything's tight. The next thing to do is fire it up and check for leaks. So this kit, you guys can get it on my website, KruseBuilt.com. Again, it comes with that fitting from the fuel pump all the way to the fitting to get you to the carb, and then whatever carb you have, you can go from there. So a design kit that gets you something you can just put in your car and go. You don't have to worry about customizing length or messing around with compression fittings and making the AN fittings fit on the line. If you don't want to do that, you're ready to go. Cool. KruseBuilt.com. We'll see you in the next one.